Hello everybody, my name is Sara, for those who are new here, and today I prepared for you a short meditation practice. The practice is inspired by the loving kindness or metta meditation, and it's a beautiful way to show love to yourself as well to other people. Before we begin, let me ask you a question. How are you feeling? How are you doing? And sometimes it's a little tricky to find the answer because we feel a lot. There's usually a mixture of feelings. So take a moment to name the emotions for you. If you want to share, write it into the comments. And yeah, that's the beginning point. I've been feeling quite heavy these days concerning the situation that is happening in the world right now. I know and I feel that there's a lot of anger, a lot of sadness, many broken hearts, many hurt feelings. So there's a lot, and the situation is heavy, but this meditation practice always helps me to kind of fill up my heart with love and offer it to others, even if I feel like I can, because there's not enough. There's always enough. So yeah, loving kindness meditation usually works with affirmations or with sentences. So inspired by that, we'll be working with 4 blessings, mantras, affirmations, sentences, offerings, call it what you want. The offerings we'll be working with are: may I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be safe, and may I be free. And depending on who you're offering these blessings to, you change may I be happy, or may you be happy, may we be happy, etc. You can also adjust these 4 sentences. So if you feel like something is more fitting than these 4, please go ahead and change them, but I'll be working with the ones I already told you about. We'll be using our breath a little. We'll focus on the inhalation. Just imagine you're inhaling from the earth, through your sits bones, through your spine, into your heart. And with your exhale, you will let the offering, the blessing, kind of radiate from you and direct it to whatever the focus is. So inhaling from the earth, through the sits bones, through the spine, into the heart, and with your exhale, sending it either to yourself or to other people. We'll begin in a comfortable seated position. I like to sit on a bolster, so I have my bolster. My hips are above my knees, should be comfortable. So make yourself comfortable and we'll begin. Placing your hands on your legs, palms facing down. You can either close your eyes or just look down at the floor. So you shouldn't get distracted by your sight. If closing your eyes is easier for you, go ahead and do that. And we'll begin with a deep inhale through the nose. Inhaling fully, filling up your lungs, expanding your chest. Sigh out through your mouth to release. And again, take a deep breath in. Inhale. Sigh out through your mouth. Relax your shoulders and your whole body. One more time, taking a deep inhale through your nose. Exhale to sigh out. And then you'll close your mouth and continue breathing through your nose in a natural way, allowing your inhales and exhales come as they want to. Taking a moment to arrive to the space that you're in right now. Connecting with the space around you, with all your 5 senses. Notice what you can hear. Listen with both ears. Notice any scents that you can smell with your nose. Notice the taste in your mouth. Noticing what you can see. Perhaps it's the black of your closed eyes. In that case, just notice that it's never entirely black and dark. There are always shapes and colors and lights. Connecting through the space around you with the touch of your skin, noticing the fabric of your clothes that your skin is touching. Noticing the temperature of the air. Perhaps if you're outside, there's a soft breeze touching your skin. Being fully present right here, right now. Landing with your attention at the bottom of your body, at the point where your body touches the floor. Notice the weight of your body pressing against the floor. Noticing the points of contact. Notice the gravity pulling you down, but then the floor is holding you. So becoming aware of the fact that you're being held. You're being held by the ground, just like everybody else. Every being in the world is being held. Pressing your two sits bones into the ground, growing tall through your spine. The crown of your head reaches up. There's grounding, there's the upward pull, and then there's you in between. We're slowly going to begin with our 4 offerings, 4 prayers, first to yourself. In your mind's eye, imagine yourself, perhaps the image you saw this morning when you looked into the mirror. See that person. Look her in the eyes or look him in the eyes. Beginning with your 4 offerings, inhaling from the earth through the spine into your heart. May I be happy. Exhale to send it into your whole body. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I be free. With your exhale, letting the image of yourself slowly fade away. And you invite to your mind's eye the image of your community. So just thinking of the people you get to see every day, whether it's your friends or colleagues or the barista at your favorite coffee shop, the cashier at a supermarket, your community, offering your 4 blessings to them. May you be happy, inhaling into your heart. Exhale to send it from your heart to them. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you be free. With your exhale, watch the image of your community slowly fade away and invite the image of your country, the country where you live in, the people who share this country with you, who walk the same streets, drive the same roads, share your language, culture. Beginning with your first offering, may you be happy, inhaling into your heart. Exhale to send it their way, to every person, every being, every animal. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you be free. As you exhale, watching the image fade away, as you slowly invite the image of the whole world to your mind and to your heart. Everybody who is being held by the same ground, everybody who's breathing the same air, everybody who's underneath the same sun and the same moon, everyone. Inviting your first offering. May we be happy. Inhaling into your heart. Exhale to send it to everyone. May we be healthy. May we be safe. May we be free. Bringing your left hand to your heart. Bringing your right hand on top of your left hand. Feeling your breath, feeling your heartbeat. May we be happy. May we be healthy. May we be safe. May we be free. Releasing your hands back down to your legs. Taking a deep breath in through your nose. Sigh out through your mouth. Reaching your arms above your head to connect your palms on top. And then bringing your thumbs between your eyebrows for clear, loving thoughts. Bringing your hands to your mouth for true and kind words. To your heart for compassion for every being, for everyone you meet, everyone who's out there. Bowing your head to your heart. Slowly blinking your eyes open as you release your hands back down. Take your time, take it slow.